Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am doing 8th class maths, square roots and cube roots. In this we are now doing finding square root by division method. Earlier we have done how to find the square root by prime factorization method. But prime factorization method is a very lengthy method. So easily in few steps you can find out square root by using division method. Already in the previous exercise, one sum you have got and for that I have done a division method only. But uh, once again I wanted to explain you how this division method should be used, because this is going to be useful for you not only in 8th class, for a long time, for your future mathematics also. How to find the square root by division method is very, very important. You are going to use only this method in future. So let us see what it is. They have given a number 784. Now this 784, you need to find out square division, that is square root, by using division method. So the question you can write that: find root 785, square root of 785, sorry, 784. So what you have to do, take this 784, whatever is the number that is given to you, you have to take, and from units place you have to take pairs of numbers. Pairs means two numbers together you have to take. So units place and tens place, these two becomes one group. Draw a line like this, a bar like this. That means this is a group. Now here it is only third digit you have got, that is units, tens, hundreds. So only one group you will be getting. If you get more numbers, you have to start from the units place. You have to keep two as a group. And the last one, what is left behind? Sometimes you may get it as a pair. Sometimes you will be getting it as a single number. Whatever it is, single digit you will be getting. Whatever it is, your division first step in finding square root of division method is dividing the given number into pairs of groups. After dividing this, what you have to do, you have to take the first group. From here we will start first group, second group, third group. It depends upon the number that is given to you. Now you take this number, this is 7. Now, what you need to do, you have to search for the number. The number which, if you multiply by itself, the solution or the answer, the product will be either equal to this number or less than this number. That means what? You have to find out square of a number. That means if you are talking about 2, you should talk about 2 square, 2 into 2. If you are talking about 3, you have to talk about 3 square, 3 into 3. So your searching is only in squares, children. Not like earlier you have done, okay, 3 divided by 3, 3 twos are 6. No, not like that. In finding square roots for a number, whichever number you are taking, see, remember one thing: normal division they will give dividend and divisor, but here dividend only is given to you. Divisor you have to find out. You have to search what is divisor. Divisor means the number which you are using to divide another number, that is dividend. So you need to search for that. They won't give. Normal division means dividend, divisor will be given, you will continue your division. And that there is no grouping. Here you are grouping them and you are searching divisor by yourself. So how are you searching that divisor? You need to search the divisors by taking a number and finding out square of it. So here if I take, this is 7 is the number. So if it is 7, what I should do? I should search for the numbers. Of course, 1 there 1 is very less. 2 if I take 2 twos are 4, less. 3 if I take 3 threes are 9, more. So I should take 2. So 2 twos are 4. Now what I should do? I should subtract this. I got 3. After getting 3, when you are taking the numbers, you have to take the pairs, children. That means 8, 4, both you have to take. Don't take one number like a normal division. Both 8 and 4 you have to take it here. Now this becomes the dividend. You have to search for the divisor for it. So draw a line, and usually what we do is you have to multiply this by 2. This number you have to multiply by 2, not these two, children. Suppose you have got here 7 or 8, even that we are multiplying by 2 and writing the number here. So this 2 and this, what I said is not, don't confuse. Whatever you have taken as a divisor here, this into 2, that is 4. Now what I should do is, I should search for a number at the side of 4, so that if I multiply with the same number here, I should get a product which is either equal to this or less than this. Just like how we have taken 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are, if you take 9 is more than this. So we have not taken 9, we have taken only 2. Like that, you have to search for a number here. Whatever number you are taking, the same number you have to take it here, and you multiply this. When you multiply, what is the answer that you are getting? Either this answer should be equal to this, or it should be less than this, not more than this. So a small clue I am giving you to children, giving you children. We are finding out squares of a number. No? So it is 4. 4 means, think about which square will give you 4 in units place. Easiest way, because every number to take, means a trial and error method. If you keep on doing with each and every number, it's a, you feel very tiresome. You cannot do it like that. It is very tiresome. So easiest way is, think about what is there in the units place of the new dividend. The units place in this new dividend is 4. So think about 4 I should get. If I take a number and I find the square of it, I should get 4. So which one will get 4 in units place? Yes, 2 twos are 4. 4 in units place, and 8 8 are 64. Again units place. That means I have understood that either 2 or 8 will be the solution. Here I should take either 2 or 8. In case if I take 2 and multiply it by 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. 84 is very less number. 384 I want. So this 2 is not the correct solution. So if it is not 2, then definitely you will go for next number, you with units plus 4 is 8. Let me take 8. 8 8 are 64. 8 fours are 32. So how much I am getting? 38. So children, I have got the same number. That means what? This 8 I should write it here, and this 8 I should write it here. Is 384. So it is 0. So what are you getting? Root 784 is equal to 28 is the answer, children. So this is, I feel that I'm clear. This explanation, if you want 2 times, 3 times, you rewind and listen to this explanation and have a thorough knowledge of what is the procedure for doing, for finding out square root by division method. If you know this procedure, then whichever is the bigger number, whatever is the number that is given to you, same procedure you are using. So only the thing is, lengthy steps you will be getting here, but your procedure will not change, and you will definitely get the perfect answer. Only the main task for you here, I feel, is this number. Means what is this number? To select this number, units place you see. In units place, which number is there? That you see, and what is which number square I will get that number. You see, definitely you will be getting two values. So those, out of those two, you said which is suitable to get the answer. So here, luckily, we have got totally equal. In some cases, what happens? This might be lesser than this. In that case, you have to proceed again. So let us see few more examples for these problems. So I hope I am clear. Please note it down. Now let us go for the example sums for this children. Example 7. Find the square root of 1296, 1296. So let me take 1296. As I said, 2 as a group. Now I should search for divisor. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 is more. So 3 3s are 9. How much I am getting? 3. 3 and 96 as it is, I have to take. Multiply 3 by 2, 6. Now I should search for the next number. 6 I should get. I will be getting 6. Either 4 4s are 16 and 6 6 are 36. So if I take 64 into 4, 4 4s are 16, of course, 4 6 are 24, 1, 25, 2, 56 is very less. So I should take 6 6 are. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 3, 39, 396. I got it. So I should take 6 here, 6 here, 396 is the answer. So, sorry, here dividend is, the product is 396, so we are getting 0. So root of 1296 is 36. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Example 7. Now example 8. Find the square root of 8281. 8281. So take 8281. Again, make pairs. So 82 you have got. We know that 9 9s are 81. So take 9 9s are 81. So you have got 1 here and 8 and 1. So multiply 9 by 2, 9 2s are 18. So 18 means units place 1 we will be getting with 9 1 1s are 1, 9 9s are 81. So if you take 181 into 1, you are getting 181. So that is what you want. So 1 and 1, 181, 0. Therefore, root of 8281 is equal to 91 is the answer for this 8th bit, children. So please note it down. The next one is example 9, children. Find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. Actually, greatest 4-digit number normally just like that to find is not so easy, children. So first what you have to do, you have to, you know pretty well what is greatest 4-digit number. All nines, 4 nines, if you take, that is greatest 4-digit number. Now what you have to do is, you find out square root of it. And definitely it is not a perfect square. 4 nines, 9999 is not a perfect square. You will come to know because you will be getting a reminder. Then whatever is the reminder, if you subtract, that means what you are getting, this much number is extra than 4 nines. So if that extra number, if you remove, you are going to get the perfect square of the highest 4-digit perfect square. So let us see the procedure. So first what we will be writing, greatest 4-digit number you have to take. It is 9999 is 4-digit number. Now you take that 9999 and find the square root. So group it. So 99, you will be getting 9 9s are 81. So next 10 10 tens are 100 is more than 99. So you will be taking 9 9s are 81. So how much am I getting? Here 8 I am getting, here 1 I am getting, 9 I should take. So 9 twos are 18. Now 18 means, as I said, 9, 3 threes are 9 you will be getting, and then again you will be getting 9 7 sevens are 49. So 183 if you take, 3 threes are 9, 3 eights are 24, 3 ones are 3 to 5. Okay, this is a very less number. Now what you will be taking, you take next 9 is 7 jar. 7 jar means 187 into 7 you take. 7 7 jar 49, 7 8 jar 56, 4 60, 7 1 jar 7, 6 13. This is also very less number. So let us try with the other numbers. So when we are going to the other numbers, one by one we have to search. Now 7 is also very less. So 1 8, 8 into 8 if you take, 8 8 are 64, 8 8 are 64, and 6 70, 8 1 are 8, 15. So you see children, even 1504 also is less. Now we go to the 9. 189 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 eights are 72. 80. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 1701 you are getting. Now you cannot use a 10 here. So 9 is the last one. So only that much we can do. So you take 9 and 9, 1701. So what are you getting here? 8 you are getting, 9 you are getting, 1 you are getting. You are not getting 0, so it is not a perfect square. So you want what? Greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. So greatest 4-digit perfect square. How are you getting? By taking 9999 and subtracting 198. So let us go for it. 9999 minus 198. So how much I am getting here? 1 here, 0 here, 8 here, 9. So 9801 is the answer. This is the greatest 4-digit number, children, which is a perfect square. I hope I am clear with this example. Some children, please note it down. Now the next one, children, example 10. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 4215 to make it a perfect square. That means they are saying us that this is not a perfect square. We have to get a perfect square. How? Previous problem we have done. You got a perfect square by subtracting a number. So here also they are asking the same thing. What is the least number that should be subtracted from 4215 to make it a perfect square? So for that, what you have to do? You have to start finding out what are the square roots up to which you are getting here. So here 2 2 as a group. So 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. So you will be taking 6 6 are 36. So how much are you getting here? 6 1 5. So 6 twos are 12. So 5 you will be getting only when you multiply by 5. 5 square is 25. There is no other number. Only for 5 you have only single digit number. So let us take 5. 1 2 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 1s are 5 1, 6. 625. But 625 is more than this number. They are asking which should be subtracted. From this, some number should be subtracted, they are asking. That means what? Definitely the next number should be lesser number only. Please understand that, children. Which number should be subtracted from the given number? They said means what? This is somewhat greater number. and you should find out a number which can be subtracted. That means the given value is more. 615 should be more. If this should be more, I can't take this because this is more than this. I can't take this. That means with 5 is not possible. So I should go for the before number, that is 4. 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, 1 9, 4 ones are 4. So that I should take 1 to 12, 124 here, 64 here. What am I getting? 4, 96. So when I subtract, I'll be getting 9 here, and 10 minus 9, 1 here, 5 minus 4, 1. So this is the number which is more here to make it perfect square. Therefore, 119 should be subtracted from 4215 to make it a perfect square. This is the answer that you will be getting, children, for this. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. Now, children, till now we have determined the square root of normal numbers. Now, the next part that is given in your textbook is how to find the square root of decimal numbers. So, let us see. First one that is given to you is root 17.64. So, 17.64. This number square root you have to find out. So here also, for this, pairing should be done. And here again, see, pairing will be different for unit side, pairing will be different for integral part. This is decimal part, this is integral part. So in case you may get it out, here two numbers are there. Suppose 3 are there. How can we do? If 3 is there, put a 0. You will be getting a pair for it, because after decimal there is no value for 0. But if you want, you can take a 0 so that you can take pairs. You are not doing any harm to the given problem while doing it. Luckily here, because this is the first time you are learning how to determine the square roots, you have got pairs here. So 64 decimal part pairing should be done separately. Integral part pairing should be done separately, children. Suppose you have got 3 numbers here, 2 here and this here, you are not supposed to take. Decimal part is different, integral part is different in grouping. Now 17. 17 means 4 fours are 16. 17 means we have to take only 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25 is more. So 4 fours are 16. I have got 1 here. Now what I should do, this decimal will go here. You have to keep a point there. Then you take 6 4. No need to keep decimal here, children, because this decimal has gone in the answer side, quotient side. So this will go there. Up to the decimal, you have to continue your division. Afterwards, if you get a decimal, keep the decimal there. So I have done 7, 4 4 are 16. 16, I got remainder 1. So now I need to take 64 down. To take 64 down, decimal is interrupting me. I can't take it because this is decimal part and this is integral part. So if I want to make this also integral part, I should change this decimal place or decimal position from here to here. I have shifted this decimal here. Now we have got 164, the same old procedure, 4 twos are 8. Now we are searching for the next number. We know that units plus 4 means 2 twos are 4, 8 eights are 64. So let us first try with 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. Of course we have got same. So let us do that. 2s are 164. So remainder is 0. Therefore, root of 17.64 is equal to 4.2 is the answer. This is how you are going to do decimal roots. You are going to find out square roots of the decimals. Note it down, children. Example 11, children. What is this example 11? Find the square root of 42.25 using division method. So take 42.25, pairing you have done. Now 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. So you have to take 6. 36. So when you are subtracting, what are you getting? You are getting 6 here. And this decimal shifts here, and 2 5 you are taking as it is. Now 6 2s are 12 you will be taking. So 5 means you know that 5 you will be getting only with the 5. So 125 into 5 you do. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 1 12. 5 1s are 5. This is 1. 5 1s are 5, 1 6, 625. You have got the same number. So 5s are 625. So remainder is 0. Therefore, what we are getting? Root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. 6.5 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now next example, children. Find square root of 96.04. So take 96.04, go for pairing. 9 nines are 81. You can't take anything else. 9 nines are 81. So I got 5 here, and this is 9 minus 8, 1 here. Now this decimal goes here. 0 4 I am taking. 9 twos are 18. So with this 18, units digit 4. So you will be having 2 twos are 4, 8 8 are 64. So if you do it with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2, 1 3. 364 is very less number. Now we go with the 8. 188 into 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64, 6 70, 8 ones are 8, 15. 1504. So the same number you have got. So 8s are 1504. So remainder is 0. Therefore, what you are getting? Root of 96.04 is equal to 9.8 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is example 12. Now the next part of this syllabus is estimating square root of non-perfect square numbers. We have done now how to find square root of a given number and how to find square root of a decimal number by using perfect division method. But now they are giving non-perfect numbers. That means non-perfect square numbers means what? You don't find any square root for it. And you should find out what is the nearest square root for it. Nearest number for which you will be getting square root. So the nearest perfect square number you need to find out. So here you have got find root 300. You know pretty well that 300 is not a perfect square. See, division method is different, children. We have already done like this. We have got non-perfect squares. We have done division method, and whatever is the remainder we have subtracted. But here this problem itself is nothing but estimating. You are estimating not by dividing. You should imagine, or you should estimate by doing certain calculations which number will be a perfect square nearing to it. So for that, what you have to do is, it is a 3-digit number. So we can say that the value of 300, let us take first 300. 300 will be greater than 10 square. 10 tens are, and 10 tens are 100, and it is lesser than 20 square. Why is it 100? Is 100 is lesser than 300. 400 is more than 300. So we have understood that the perfect square of this number will lie between the squares of these two. So you should know pretty well about the squares of 11, squares of 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Of course, you will be going for 19 also. So you should know, children, what are these squares. Let me write for your understanding. 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. These all you should know, children. 14 square 196. 15 square 225. 16 square 256. 17 square 289, and 18 square 324, and 19 square is 361. So these all values you should have in mind, children. These are all the squares of the numbers. Now what is the number we are talking about? 300. Where does the 300 comes? The first value you take. It will be between these two, 289 and 350, 324. What is the nearest one you have to find out? What is the nearest value? So let us find nearest value means the difference of 300 with this number should be the less value. So if I take 300 and subtract 289, how much I am getting? 300 minus 289. So I am getting 1 here and a 9 minus 8. 1 here. That's all. 11 I am getting. The difference is 11. Of course, this is the margin one, children. So I will be doing this here. 300 minus 289. 1 here, 1 here. 11 I have got. Next value is 324. Of course, it is greater than 300. This is 24. So out of these two values, it is 11 which is smaller. So you have to take this 11. 11 means which number you have to take? 289. So how will you write? 289 is less than 300 and which is less than 324. The next one is 324. Now 289 and 324 you have taken. So you have to take 289 only, nearest value. So what you will be getting? So the estimating, the question is estimating the square root. So the nearest the nearest value, the nearest value is 289. So approximately the value of 300 is equal to 289. How you got? 17. This is the answer, children. This is how you need to find out. In your textbook, directly they have given the value 17 square, but how you need to search it, this procedure will help you to identify what are the two values that are there, which is one is lesser, one is greater. After finding out lesser and greater, for this problem, this is smaller. For some other problem, maybe this will be nearer. Smaller in the sense nearer to 300. Nearer to 300, you have done in your lower classes, a nearer number, which are nearest numbers and all. So, basing on that knowledge, which is nearer value for 300, you have to take. Nearer value is 281. How did you find out? By subtracting the numbers. When you have subtracted, you have got the lowest value where it is. That means this number is nearer to 300 compared to that of this number. So since this is nearer to 300, we should find out the square root of. We have to identify that it is only the square root. Approximate value. What do you mean by approximate? Approximate means it is very near our solution. It is not the exact one. Approximate and exact. Whatever problems, the solutions that you are getting, they all are exact solutions because you are getting the solution perfectly. But here we are not getting perfect value. Why? Because this number given is, the given number is not a perfect square. So nearest one, which is the one that we need to take the answer. So 17 is the answer for this number because 17 is the nearest value. 17 square is the nearest value for 300. So please understand, children. With this, I am concluding today's topic. In the next class, I will be doing the exercise.